Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I will explain the 8 types of adjectives in English. Adjectives are very important because they help us describe people, places, animals, and things more clearly. In this lesson, we will learn 8 common types of adjectives with simple and easy examples. These are descriptive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, numeral adjectives, proper adjectives, and distributive adjectives. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand how to use them correctly in daily English. Let's begin. First, descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives are words that describe or give more information about a noun. They help us understand how something looks, feels, or appears. Examples of descriptive adjectives: beautiful, happy, red, tall, expensive, interesting. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. Beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. This is a beautiful flower. Happy. I am happy today. She looks happy. Red. I have a red car. The apple is red. Tall. He is a tall boy. That building is very tall. Expensive. This phone is expensive. That watch is very expensive. Interesting. This book is interesting. The movie is interesting. Next, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are words that point out or indicate specific people, places, or things. The common examples are this, that, these, and those. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. This. This is my book. This is a nice pen. That. That is my house. That car is fast. These. These are my friends. These apples are fresh. Those. Those are my shoes. Those birds are flying. Now, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession or ownership. They tell us who something belongs to. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. My. This is my book. I like my teacher. Your. This is your bag. Is this your phone? His. This is his car. His name is Alex. Her. This is her dress. Her hair is long. Its. The cat drinks its milk. The dog is eating its food. Our. This is our school. We love our country. Their. This is their house. Their children are playing. Whose. Whose pen is this? Whose bag is on the table? Next, quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives tell us how much or how many. For example, some, few, much, enough, all, many, several, and little. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. Some. I need some water. I have some friends. Few. I have few pencils. Few students are in the class. Much. I don't have much time. How much money do you have? Enough. I have enough food. Is this enough water? All. All students are here. I like all my books. Many. I have many friends. Many people are in the park. Several. I have several books. Several cars are outside. Little. I have little money. There is little water left. Now, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns. For example, which, what, whose, how many, what kind, and how much. Now let's practice some simple sentences together. Which? Which book do you want? Which color do you like? What? What is your name? What are you doing? Whose? Whose phone is this? Whose bag is on the chair? How many? How many students are in the class? How many apples do you have? What kind? What kind of music do you like? What kind of food is this? How much? How much money do you have? How much water do you drink every day? Next, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives refer to numbers or the order in a sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 10, first, second, third, and 10th. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. 1. I have one pen. There is one cat. 2. I have two brothers. Two students are absent. 3. I have 3 books. 3 cars are outside. 10. I have 10 fingers. There are 10 apples. First. I am the first student. She is the first in line. Second. He is the second boy. This is my second try. Third. She finished third in the race. This is my third book. 10th. He is the 10th student. This is my 10th attempt. Now, proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns and always begin with a capital letter. For example, American, Chinese, Indian, British, and Canadian. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. American. He is American. I like American food. Chinese. She is Chinese. I eat Chinese noodles. Indian. He is Indian. Indian food is very spicy. British. She is British. He lives in a British city. Canadian. He is Canadian. I want to visit Canada and meet Canadian people. Finally, distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives refer to individual members of a group. For example, each, both, either, every, any, neither, none, and all. Now, let's practice some simple sentences together. Each. Each student has a book. Each child is happy. Both. Both boys are playing. I like both apples and bananas. Either. You can choose either option. Either answer is correct. Every. Every student is here. I go to school every day. Any. Do you have any money? You can take any book. Neither. Neither answer is correct. Neither boy came to school. None. None of the students are absent. None of the water is left. All. All students are present. I like all my teachers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.